Forget the lion. If you're an animal on the African savanna, there is no predator more terrifying than the African wild dog. Also known as the painted wolf because of their stunning, patchwork coats, these highly social carnivores are the most efficient hunters on the continent. They boast a staggering success rate of nearly 90%. To put that in perspective, a lion only succeeds about 30% of the time. But the secret to their success isn't just speed or teeth. It's democracy. Before a hunt begins, the pack engages in one of the most bizarre rituals in the animal kingdom. They vote. They don't use growls or gestures. Instead, they sneeze. Scientists have discovered that the more dogs sneeze, the more likely the pack is to move out. It is a biological voting system where the majority rules. Once the election is over and the hunt begins, their legendary stamina takes over. African wild dogs aren't the fastest sprinters, but they are the ultimate marathon runners. They will chase their prey for miles across the scorching plains, never letting up until their target literally collapses from exhaustion. Because they work in a perfect, selfless relay, they can take down prey 10 times their own size, ensuring every member of the pack, including the old and the sick, gets fed. From their democratic sneezes to their relentless teamwork, the African wild dog is the ultimate master of the savanna. If you think this pack is more impressive than a lion pride, hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of the wild. What team of predators should we uncover next? Let me know in the comments.